Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. In this video we're going to be covering how to change the activity feed on different forms on ServiceNow. Now let's go ahead and head over to a random incident and we'll use that as our example. Okay, so we have this one, email server is down. Now the activity feed is this section you see at the bottom. It should be right next to where the comments are in work notes. So anytime that a user has or the admin has enabled a different field, these are all the fields here that have been selected and toggled on. That means each one of these fields are currently being tracked in the activities. So if I were to make a change to the impact, to the attachments, assigned to, etc., those will be tracked here in this bottom section. Now, if there are fields that we want to add that we don't see here in this section, we need to head over to Configure Available Fields. And let's just say, for example, we want to add caller. So we want to be able to track the caller in the activity feed because it wasn't being tracked before. Okay, so we got that added. So we should see that appear. And yes, we do. So it's right here. However, it's in our selected section, but you can see that it's toggled off. So even though it's here, it's not going to be tracking the changes to the caller. And to prove that, let's just make a quick change to the caller and save the record. We'll do able tutor. Save. And then there's no changes here. Interesting. So let's go ahead and toggle on caller. And then we see our previous change that was just made. Now let's make another change. Who should we? Let's do a random person here. Okay, and then you can see our new change is being tracked as well. So we can see the date, the time, the user that made that change, the new value, and then the previous value. So it's very helpful to be able to track different fields on the forms, not just for you as an admin, but maybe there's fields in here that the caller may want to be able to track as well. So maybe the caller wants to be able to see if the short description was changed, if the description was changed. Maybe those are things that they want to see down here in the activity feed, and you'll just need to ensure that the activity, the field has been selected here in the filter activity. And you will also need to make these changes across different forms because obviously each form is going to have different fields. So just keep that in mind that the change we made just now is only impacting the incident form. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a like. Please also consider subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you all in the next video very soon.